I live with God.
Word right now. I'm being very patient with you.
No, I'm not. Help me! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Please don't suffer. I don't want to suffer. Do not reach!
This is 23-year-old Najee Brian Tenney, who was arrested after officers responded to a report of an unwanted guest refusing to leave a North Olmsted home. When police arrived, Najee appeared unwilling to cooperate, refusing to answer basic questions and repeatedly giving officers confusing responses about God.
Finally, I said the police are on the way. They saw your cars and was
Please
like,
help me.
oh, well, this is...
Okay. Yeah, come on over here, man. So you don't know him at all?
I've never met him in my life.
You have a stepdaughter that lives
Yes,
here?
my stepdaughter lives here, yes.
Okay, does she know who he is?
She does know who
Okay,
he is.
I got you. Okay.
But
All right.
she asked him to leave multiple.
We were... You confused me a little bit. You said you don't know who he is, and...
I'm very confused as
I
to
got you. Okay. Yeah, I get it. All right, come on over here, man.
What's going on?
Yeah, what's going on? You tell me.
Honestly, the last thing I want to do is bother you.
No, you're fine. You're fine. What's going on?
Let's stay right over here on the floor.
Yep. What's going on?
What's going on is I was having time with.
Do you have any weapons on you? Oh. All right. Take a deep breath, man.
God is with me.
Where do you live?
I live.
Yes.
I live with God. I live on the other.
Where are you right now? All right, do you need to go to the hospital? Huh?
No, I understand you.
You said you're suffering, so you need to go. So, what's your name?
My name's Najee.
Najee. What's your last name? Do you have any kind of ID on you? So, the way you're, lack of answering, you're saying you're suffering, like, we're going to have to call an ambulance and take you to the hospital. But we need to identify you as well.
Did he take anything?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is there a reason why you can't answer his questions?
What you mean, a reason why?
I'm saying, is there a reason why you can't answer his questions? He's asking you very simple questions. Your name?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Najee.
What's your last name? We got to identify you. That's why we're asking you these questions. What's your last name?
We're trying to figure out why you're here and why you're kind of you're getting a little emotional right now.
Because
You've been asked to leave. We're trying to figure out how to get you out of here and get you safe. Do you want to see if we can get the stepdaughter, see if any information?
oh, you're trying to trust me.
I'm trying to get you at home safe or somewhere safe. So help me out. What's your name? Where do you live? Do you have an ID on you? How did you get here? Do you have a car? You drive here. Do you ride a bike here? Do you walk here? Take a bus here. Take an Uber here. You're about to go under arrest for trying to identify yourself right now. You're obstructing official business. I'm trying to figure out who you are. You're trespassing on the property. You've been told to leave multiple times and you didn't leave. Now we're here talking, trying to figure out who you are, how you got here, where do you need to go, and not identify yourself. I need to see your identification right now, or you will be placed under arrest for obstructing official business.
Is there a reason why you don't want to give us that information? Do you have a warrant or something? Because if you don't, we would like to move you along and get you out of here. But you're going to be placed in handcuffs and placed under arrest. All we need is our information so that we can get out of here and you can get out of here, okay? But if you don't give us that information, then we're not gonna be here all night, okay?
Don't look at that way. We're being very patient with you, man. Hold on.
Turn around.
Najee,
Turn around.
We're being very
Don't
patient
look at
with
her.
you.
Don't worry about her. We're talking.
We're giving you the benefit of the doubt right now, being very patient with you. Okay? I'm trying to help you out. I need you to show some kind of ID. Tell me your name and birthday. Tell me your social. Tell me something.
Trust in God. That's all of the life.
Okay. All right.
No, I'm not. Help me! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm not God! Help! Help! I'm not God! I'm not God! Guys, I'm not God!
Turn around.
Help me, please. I'm not God. I'm with God. I follow the light.
Turn around. Turn around. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach right now. There's a magazine. There's a magazine right now. Do not move or I'll fucking change you. You understand me? Stop Stop fucking reaching!
I got his arm. You have the other arm. I got the other arm.
God.
Do not reach!
We're fighting.
Do not reach!
What's your name? My name is... Hey, guys. My name is Rod. My name is Rod.
Hold on, get the man.
All right. Stop fucking moving.
Chill out. We need to get to the stomach. Yeah. Hey, listen to me. We're gonna roll you to the stomach. Cut his back off. Let's put in my magazine.
Your magazine?
I'm not trying to do anything, you guys.
All right. Just flip on your stomach.
Listen to me. You're gonna roll this way to your stomach. You got it? You're not gonna resist. You're gonna roll towards me. Go. Roll to me. Roll to me. Roll over.
I'm not...
Do not tense up, man. Do not tense up.
I'm chilling. I'm not going.
Take that arm. Take that arm.
Gotta flip your better, guys. Guys, it's the truth. Lying.
Hey. No, let go. Let go. You're fighting two arms at once.
I'm not doing it.
There we go.
I'm not doing bullshit. I'm grabbing like... I'm so good.
His other arm.
Guys, stop, please. I'm not trying to do wrong. Guys, please. I don't want to do wrong. Guys, please.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
I'm not doing wrong, guys. Guys, please.
Stop moving.
Please. It's so wrong with you. Please. Oh, God. Guys, please.
Stop moving.
I don't know. Guys, please don't suffer. I don't want to suffer. Please. I'm chilling, you guys.
You're not chilling.
Let's cut his backpack off. He has scissors.
Hey, we have him in custody.
Oh, God. God is with me. Oh, God. God is with me. I'm so sorry. God is with me. God is with me.
Whatever.
God is with me. God is always with me.
Hey, they said he has an ID in his bag.
God is always with me.
Chill out.
What's up, buddy?
Stop fucking grabbing.
I'm relaxed. The truth is here. I'm not doing something. Please. Stop. Leave me alone. I'm not here to do nothing wrong. My name is Najee, right? Najee. My name is Najee.
Right, shut up.
Sit down.
Listen, God.
We're going to have to give you a different car. Sit down.
Hey, I'll pull him over the phone.
Please,
Stop it. Put your fucking foot up. Put your foot up.
Follow the light. Follow the light. You shoot the wheels and stuff. Please, I'm not trying to do it.
Stop before you get your fucking foot.
Out this way. Please. Please. Follow the light.
Put your feet in there now.
Najee, my name is Najee. Listen, you guys. My name is Najee. My name is Najee. Right.
What's there?
Pull him a bit.
Nothing. He's tripping on something.
You guys take him?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. He fought with us the entire time. Even putting him in the car. So, yeah, he's going.
Najee Brian Tenney was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and obstructing official business following the encounter with North Olmsted officers. After the incident, officers requested that Najee receive medical evaluation due to concerns about his altered state of mind. No officers were injured during the confrontation. What began as a report of an unwanted guest ended with Najee being taken into custody after officers spent several minutes attempting to understand the situation and get him to cooperate.